quiet after the storm. It was really scary last night, and it's sunny day, blue sky today. We are still at the Cinque Torri. As you can see, I took out my computer out. We're gonna work today. We got some work to do, a voiceover, video editing, and some stuff. Then we will go after Cortina to one of the most iconic places here in the Dolomites, Tre Cime di Lavaredo. So you will come with us. If you have a van like ours that goes really slow, just take your time because the road to go up, it's really steep. We pretty much arrive here just on second gear, slow, 25 kilometers per hour. By the way, it's not free. Now you have two options. You can pay €35 just to get on top. There's a huge parking, and especially there's a parking that it's really flat, only for camper vans. The second option is that you can park here or at the gate. I suppose you can get a small bus that goes up and down. We drove up, and then we stopped. I can tell you it kind of sucks, the fact that we're not able to get up there, but we're so heavy. And the road there, it's so steep. Even from here, the view is not really bad. I just got a 25 minutes flight and 2 more batteries to go, so I'm pretty happy about a couple time lapse. So I get to the top, but I hitchhike and ask a lift. It's pretty amazing here anyway. Let's go down. I decided not to be a lazy ass, so I will take the trail down. It will take an hour to get down to the main gate and just, enjoy the fact that we're here. And yeah, got a nice walk down in the nature in these beautiful Dolomites. Let's go. And yeah, we found a really nice parking. It's a dirt road. The way down, it's always fine. We already know that maybe we're gonna struggle a little bit the way up, but it's worth it sometimes, unless you broke the van. So, and we're gonna wait here, Honza and the other 2 boys, so we can go 4 in the morning to take a 90 minutes hike to the lake that is behind these mountains to get a perfect sunset.